Good morning, everyone. Welcome back into North Dakota today. Well, exciting things are always happening at the University of North Dakota, including the opening of their new Experiential Learning Center. UND's Chelsea Melliton is joining us to tell us all about it. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me today. Yes. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you for being here. So tell us, what is the Experiential Learning Center?
Yes, our Experiential Learning Center is one spot where students can go to learn about all of the various experiential learning opportunities that we have on our campus. It currently in our space is career services, study abroad, and undergraduate research, as well as creative scholarly activity. Each one of those services provides and promotes opportunities for students in the areas of internships, of study abroad programs, whether that be a summer or semester abroad, or even shorter term programs, as well as students who are interested in undergraduate research or creative scholarly activity if they want to get connected to a faculty member.
Wow, well, how exciting. What are really the goals for this new facility?
Yeah, absolutely. So our goal is to really provide, in line with our LEAD strategic plan, is to provide students with that equitable access to experiential learning opportunities. And so we were really intentional about pulling together existing offices and helping students understand how the experiences that they're getting are meeting the workforce needs of our state, of the region, and just helping them to be prepared for their future.
Which is really so important, especially on campus.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. So when did the Experiential Learning Center first launch on campus, and where is it located?
Yeah, so we're located near the heart of campus in McCannell Hall, room 190. We launched in about mid-July is when we moved into our space, and then we hosted a ribbon cutting ceremony and open house during homecoming in early October.
Exciting. So how did this idea evolve into reality?
Yeah, so we began about a year or so ago gathering data on undergraduate research and creative scholarly activity, and really with the goal of trying to increase participation for students. And so we really wanted to be, we had this desire to show students how the experiences that they and the skills that they were gaining in areas such as research, such as study abroad, are very similar or the same as the skills and experiences that they're getting in internships. And so the idea of the Experiential Learning Center was quickly supported by our UND leadership, and then shortly thereafter we pulled together the existing offices and really worked to build and strengthen workforce integrated opportunities and areas for students to just provide that better support for them.
Yes. So how has your team really spread the word about this?
Yeah, we were busy this last fall semester. We visited with each department on campus to share more about our center, as well as how can we support departments on our campus. We also learned about existing opportunities that they have, or current opportunities that departments have for their students, and then really talked through ways like how can we grow experiential learning? Are there additional programs that we can create, additional courses, that type of thing?
Yes. So you mentioned a little bit about study abroad earlier. Yeah. How is the ELC really involved with this?
Yeah, so we are really going back to or seeing where we were at pre-pandemic numbers. Study abroad is starting to grow post-pandemic, which is really exciting. So just really gaining that feedback from students and trying to grow opportunities for them by ways of internships abroad, research abroad, studying abroad, but also trying to meet where they're at for their price point and things like that too. We understand studying abroad can be expensive, but we're really exploring different avenues for students to be able to do shorter abroad programs. For example, we have one faculty member in the biomedical sciences. This spring break is taking students abroad to Florence, Italy, to discuss the intersections between health, science, and art. And so there are those shorter term study abroad programs that are a bit more cost effective for students.
Well, how much fun. I did one of those in college. I really recommend it.
Yes, absolutely.
So finally, where can people go to find out more information?
Yeah, absolutely. Please visit our und.edu website and search the Experiential Learning Center, or please feel free to give us a call. We can be reached at 701-777-2117.
Well, thank you so much for sharing all of that with us, Chelsea.
Thank you so much for having me today.
Yes, of course. All right, everyone, stick around, because coming up on today's show, a local clinic is bringing a unique approach to treating mental health. Find out how after the break.